If you still can't do this transition after watching this tutorial, I'll do it for you for $100 an hour. So go ahead and record yourself wearing each item and get a picture of yourself in each item. Open the app Bizarre, start a new template, and import the pictures of the items. Use the eraser tool to erase everything with the exception of the item that will be showing in the video. This is what the final product of each item should look like. Open the app CapCut and import your videos in the order you want them to show. Tap on Add Overlay and import the pictures of each item. Use the crop tool in the toolbar to crop out the Bizarre watermark. Now you can resize the image and place it wherever you want it to be in the video. Now we're going to use the keyframe tool to create the drag and drop effect. Tap on the keyframe tool and begin dragging your item. As you drag your item, move the timeline along with it. This will record each movement. Now trim the clip down so that the following clip appears once the item touches your body. To get these buttons and computer mouse, open the app CapCut. Go ahead and add text and type in whatever you want your buttons to say. Click on the bubble option and select the bubble that you desire. Export the file and open the app VideoLeap. Use the stickers tool and search for a computer mouse or a mouse and select the mouse that you desire. Once you've selected your mouse, go ahead and resize it and move it to your desired position within the video. We're going to use the keyframe tool once more. Tap it once and move the mouse. As you move the mouse, move the timeline along with it. And that's it. And if you want me to do this for you, I will for $100 an hour.